Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how you can fix the failure of the application WhatsApp on your phone. That is, if we have a crash and hangs. I'll show you how to fix it. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch it to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, if it doesn't work for you, let's say like for example for me. I go to WhatsApp. It doesn't work for me. To fix it, the first way, we have to go to Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Open Apps. Then open Manage Apps. After that, we have to write in WhatsApp in the search box and find this application. Let me show you how to do it. Find WhatsApp. After that, we go here. Click Storage. And the first thing we need to do here is to clear the cache. After that, we go to WhatsApp, and if this way helped us, it's very good. If not, then we go to Settings and clear both cache and data. After that, we exit. The second way that we can do is to go to Play Store. Find also in the search box WhatsApp. And after that, try to update it as well, because this method can help you. If you have an old version, it won't work. Then with the new update version, it will already work. The very last thing you can do is just turn off your phone and turn it on, or reboot it. I think you will be able to fix the WhatsApp glitch after that, and you will no longer have dull hangs and so on. If my video helped you and you liked it, and you managed to fix WhatsApp not working on your phones and devices, then you can subscribe to the channel, put a like. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.